Are we? Come close. Let's talk. So you've written a wonderful book that should ordinarily be a bestseller, but you can't figure out what the problem is. Like, why the slow or no sales at all?
How did all this start? Oh God.
Here is one problem we've uncovered. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you heard someone say these words to you or to someone you know? I have heard so many great things about you. I can't wait for us to begin. This is the same for your book. Your book description is serious business, a very, very serious one. Readers read your book description first to find out if it's what they are looking for, like before they make that buying decision. Take a walk through various online retail stores to see beautifully written book description and components of it, or contract a good, remember that word, a good publishing company to help you with a beautiful, book description that can sell your book and the message in it. You want to take me? What are friends for? But do one thing for me, like, comment, and share.